Hi everyone, I would like to talk about the best network marketing company in the world called QNet. QNet is based on QI Group companies, and QI Group company is the huge organization which has partnered with luxury collection, has own university, partner with lifestyles, logistics, and has the good company called Training Conference as Devi. Here it is the headquarters of QI companies. It is in Malaysia. There are two places. One is in Malaysia and another headquarters is in Hong Kong. And the address is the Dao. And QNet has more than 50 offices in the world as Hong Kong, Singapore, Thailand, Dubai, Vietnam, Turkey, and has plan to expand to more countries in the world. And another thing which very important is QNet already registered with the World Federation of Direct Selling Association. QNet is an international company in the world. It is only one company doing with the e-commerce platform already for 21 years. And this company pay high commission to the people and allow the common men and women everywhere in the world can join and expand their business, their network to wherever they want in the world. And the QI Group is also accepted in World Economic Forum that can recognize in the QI company is one of the good company to offer many things for the people. And here it is a big support from QI companies. In the event is 2019 Asian Community Leadership and Partnership Forum, which has QI leaders there. Also have our founders, Dato Vijay Isolan, in that to be a speaker in that forum 2019. And this great man called Dr. Vijay Isolan, he is the founder of the QI Group company. He is a visionary who can see further of the future. He is the best mentor and he gives a big chance to millions of people to change their life and achieve their dreams. As Dato Dr. Vijay Isolan, and now he is also the Forbes magazine 48 heroes of the philanthropy. He's a very recognized person in the world. And this can see that he is the one person millionaire in Malaysia. 2013, the record said he is 25th person is a millionaire person in Malaysia. And it is his co-founder of QNet, Joseph Bismarck. He is from Philippines. He is also the founder of QI with Dr. Vijay Isolan. They are very good friends and they make it happen for this company to help many people to be rich and successful. The founder of QI Group company also invited to World Economic Forum since 2011 and continue to 2013 in Myanmar. He is a person people recognize and invite to the big event to talk about the future of the business, the leadership. So most of the beautiful, successful person in the world come to this event, and in each country, different country, it had every year. And the founder of QI also go to attend and to be a good speaker there to talk about his vision, to talk about the company vision, and to share his knowledge and his experience and his vision, his attitude to the event. And he invites since 2011 until 2018, and he also went there and until 2019 the last time. Also he went to the talking and share his knowledge in the World Economic Forum too. As he is a very recognized person, he is invited to BBC News in UK and to talk about the leadership in Asians. And this is we partners because those are the people who is the main person to make this business happen from the zero to become very successful people. And this for the events of the company. There are many events in many countries, as a big event, small event, and to share the people knowledge and get more help, which can help to grow the network in each country. And thank you so much for listening and watching.